Hello, Bangladesh. Welcome to the Master Academy in the Go programming language course, which was being brought to you jointly by the Master Academy and the Bangladesh Copyright Office. My friend Mostain asked me to make this video. My name is Todd McLeod, and I'm a college instructor here in California. I teach at Fresno City College. I'm tenured faculty there. And I've also served as an instructor at California State University, Fresno, where I've taught in 3 disciplines. I've taught in business, I've taught in information systems, and I've taught in computer science. I've taught both undergraduates and graduate students. And primarily what I've taught is web development and also how to use the Go programming language. I want to share with you two reasons why the Go programming language is a great language to learn. So the first thing to look into is something called the Stack Overflow Developer Survey. So you could go to Google or your search engine of choice and you could enter Stack Overflow Developer Survey, and that will give you information on what different people think about different languages, like what the statistics are. So what are the most popular languages, the most widely used languages, which languages have the highest salary, which ones pay well. And what we've seen is over the last 5-7 years is the Go programming language, which was introduced as version 1 in 2013. The Go programming language has climbed through the ranks and is now one of the most popular languages in industry. So there's a high demand in industry for people who know how to program using Go. So it's good to know that if you're learning a language, if you're investing the time to learn it, that when you understand the language, you'll be able to use it and be employed using it. So that's the first thing which is good to know. The second thing which is good to know, and this is the thing which attracted me to the Go programming language early. I started learning the Go programming language before many others, and my course was the very first course actually online teaching the Go programming language. So you could find it at Udemy, U-D-E-M-Y. You could find it there, and I've taught hundreds of thousands of students how to use the Go programming language. But the thing which drew me to the Go programming language first were the credentials of its creators. And so Go was created by Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, and Robert Gressimer. And they created it at Google. So for me, Google is, one of the best software engineering firms, if not the very best software engineering firm to have ever existed in the history of humanity. And Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, and Robert Gressimer are luminaries in computer science. They are some of the heaviest hitters in computer science. These are individuals who helped create the Unix operating system. They helped create the B and the C programming languages, and they also created UTF-8, which is the world's leading coding scheme. So that's basically like the bedrock of comp sci, of computer science, and they helped create all of that, and now they've created a new language. And so when I learned that Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, and Robert Gressimer had created a new language and that they did this at Google, I was all on board. I wanted to know that language, and that's why I started learning the language very early. So those two reasons really compelled me to learn Go, and it's with my wholehearted recommendation and my enthusiastic recommendation that I encourage you to learn this language too. It will serve you well. It's a beautiful language. It is well built, and it's demanded by industry. So welcome to this program. I'm just checking my notes here to see if there's anything else Mostain wanted me to say. I'm glad you're here at Master Academy in Bangladesh, and we have appreciation to the Bangladesh Copyright Office for helping make this possible. And I'm just chiming in here because my friend Mostain asked me to share a little bit about, why it's a good language to learn. So welcome. I'm glad you're here. And I wish you well on your journey of learning this language. Have a great time and enjoy your programming career. Bye.